Okay, have you ever heard Christians talking about the phrase getting saved? What does that even mean? We say things like the wages of sin are death. What does that even mean? Well, I prefer the language of, have you ever done something that made you feel really guilty? Or have you ever had somebody do something to you that still left this guilty, ashamed, I can't be myself feeling? Yeah, it happens to most of us. In fact, I think it kind of happens to all of us in one way or another. Sin, in whatever form it encounters us, leaves a mark on us. And when we talk about that wages of sin or death, we're talking about that feeling inside that tells you you can't be who you are. You can't be who God made you to be. Now imagine if there was something bigger than you that could actually heal and restore you to the person you are supposed to be. That's justifying grace. Grace through faith in a God who can heal us. And that's what we're talking about this week on the live show.